G'day, from Thailand. So I've bought and sold a lot of cars in Thailand, well, helping people, expats, etc, etc. And today, part of Sue's service, is we're going to show you how to transfer the blue book, the ownership, and go to immigration. We're taking an expat there, and then we're going to go to the land transport office, and I'll give you some tips and tricks along the way. Anyway, something to be mindful of when you're buying a car is what province the cars come from. So that's Chonburi. I can't read it, and you guys probably can't either. But transferring the blue book or the ownership, if you're in Pattaya and in Chonburi, it's quite easy. But if it's from another province, then you can use an agent or go to Bangkok or wherever the cars come from, and do it that way, or you've got to change the plates. And just be careful at the moment too, because there's a lot of cars advertised online marketplace that are very cheap at the moment, and I almost got caught. Mazda CX-5, ridiculously cheap, 2018, and looked at the plate, and it's come from Songkhla, I think it is, which is Hat Yai, where all the floods were. Back at Jomtien Immigration, and Sue's helping Danny, who bought a car through us off an expat, get his residency certificate. You can use an agent to do that, or we can help you. Sue's a bit cheaper than an agent. And I'll show you the forms on the screen, but you need your passport, 2 photocopies of your passport signed by you, 2 copies of your visa stamp signed by you, 2 photocopies of your first arrival stamp in your passport, and 2 passport photos. Let's see, look. I won't film everything. One of the other things I forgot to say is you need a TM30. So your passport, 2 photocopies of that signed by you, 2 photocopies of your visa stamp signed by you, a photocopy of your arrival date stamp in your passport signed by you, a TM30 copy signed by you. Anyway, Sue asked me to find her a nice CRV, so what do you think? This thing's hardly been used by the look of it. I was interrupted. Oh, I love you. Glamour. Whew. Somehow I don't think Sue would like that. And then we're going to the land transport office to change the ownership of a blue book. So I've shown this before. Once you've got your residency certificate, you come out to the Bang Lamong Land Transport Office if you've got Chonburi plates. Fill out all the paperwork, which Sue's done, she's inside. Then they check your car here, your VIN number, that kind of thing, have a quick look underneath it. And then Sue's got all the paperwork, she knows what to do. But look, it's nice and quiet out here. It's like 3:30 in the afternoon. There's no one here. Every time I come out here, the place is packed. Bang Lamong Land Transport Office. And Sue can help. She's made it so easy for Danny, who's bought the Proton. And the next step, we're going to help him change his driver's license. So that's another service that Sue can offer. But where is she? So there's Sue up there helping, explaining everything, makes life a lot easier. And yeah, there's agents that do it, but Sue wants to do it and help people, and it's just part of the service at Good Vibes Garage. So up to you. I hope that helps. But in the meantime, Danny's book has been transferred. The blue book's in his name, and the transfer fee was 605 baht. So it depends on the weight of the car, the age of the car, the value of the car, all that kind of stuff. So, job done.